Hello friends, welcome to Susan and John MathTube. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert a line created by two planes into symmetric form. I hope you remember the equation of a line in 3D geometry is given by the symmetric form. Provided you know one particular point on the line and also the direction of the line. Okay, so let's go to the question. So look at this. Point number 1, you have to understand the intersection of two planes is a line. Can you see? Two planes will create a line. Can you see the red color plane and the blue color plane creates a line? Or you can just look at the roof and the wall, or the floor and the wall, and you'll see the intersection. Or you take a notebook and open it, you'll see the intersection. And the most important point that you have to understand is the required line, that means the blue color line, and the normal to the planes are perpendicular. Can you see? The red normal and the line is perpendicular. The blue normal and the line is perpendicular. That's the most important thing. And I hope you remember the condition for perpendicularity. Two lines are perpendicular if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. Okay, now I'll show you the 3D view. So I have two planes here, and I think you can see the two planes are creating a line, and we are trying to find the equation of this particular line. The question goes like this: express in symmetric form. And can you see they are giving you two planes? So two planes are given means a line is given. So we assume like this. Come on. What are the two things required to find the equation of a line? Yeah. One point on the line and the direction of the line. So first we'll find the direction. So I'm going to assume let A, B, C be the direction of the line. Come on. By looking at the equation of a plane, how do you write the direction of the normal? Very simple. So plane 1, let's imagine the red color plane has direction 1, 2, 3. Can you see this direction and the required line direction are perpendicular. So A into 1 plus B into 2 plus C into 3 equal to 0. So we got one equation. Similarly, now imagine this is the blue color plane. The direction of the blue color plane is 3, 4, 5. And that normal is also perpendicular to our line. So I get the next equation: 3A plus 4B plus 5C equal to 0. Now I'm sure that you know what to do when we have two equations and three unknown. Don't try to solve. You will not be able to solve using the usual technique. The best method is rule of cross multiplication. It's very simple. A divided by, just write the determinant of this coefficients 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see the determinant? Then B divided by negative of, so 1, 3, 3, 5. I hope you understood that. And C divided by the first part. And equate it to K, and it goes like this: A divided by, what's the determinant of this one? 10 minus 12, that will be minus 2. And B divided by 5 minus 9, that will be minus 4, minus will be 4. C divided by 4 minus 6, that will be minus 2, is equal to K. And equating this and this, I'll be able to find the value of A, B, C. So A is equal to minus 2K. I have written it here. And do you still remember we are finding direction ratios? How will you write 6:10? Won't you simplify it to 3:5? Similarly, we are not writing the direction, we are writing the direction ratio. So I am dividing throughout by the common factor minus 2k, and I got this as the direction. So you can be happy. To write the equation of the line, you need two things. One is a point, we'll come to that, and the second is the direction. So can you see the direction? Now for the point, the logic is like very easy. Can you see? What we do is we need a common point. Can you see the line is created by, are you able to see the line is created by both the orange and the blue plane? Can you see the line is created by both the orange and the blue plane? So what we do is we will put any common number on both. Look at this. What I'm planning to do is I have the equation of the planes, right? So I can plug x equal to 1 into both the plane and solve it with a calculator. Or I can put y equal to 0, or I can put z equal to 100. Whatever you want, you can plug it. But anyway, I'm going for the easiest value. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to put z equal to 0. Once more, I'll put it like this. You can keep any number on both the equations and try to solve it in a calculator. And to make things easier, I'm plugging in z equal to 0. What happens when I plug in z equal to 0? I will get x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. That means equal to 6. 3x plus 4y equal to 2. Now use a calculator and solve it. Once more, make it very clear. We need the direction. We already got the direction. Now we need any one point in the intersection. Any one point. And for that, keep any number that comes in your brain in both the equation and try to solve. Okay, just like I told you earlier, I plugged in z equal to 0. I got x equal to this, so I got the common point. Now that's it. What's the equation? X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. Okay, if you're 100% okay with this, try to solve it and comment below the answer. If you comment below, it will be helpful for others. Just comment whether you got the same direction and tell me what is the coordinate that you got. And by the way, the coordinate need not be unique, because someone might put x equal to 1. Someone might put y equal to 0. Sometimes you might put x equal to 0. So just comment below what you used. So I'll be back with another video. So till then, my friends,